oxide and dilute hydrochloric acid reacted, the color changes to? Beta, do you have answer? Any idea?
The B.
Yes, it will changes to bluish green color. Okay. So because generally Cu2 copper chlorides, because when copper oxide Cu2O when react with HCl, it will gives you CuCl2 copper chloride plus water. Okay, and due to the presence of this copper chloride, it has a greenish. Okay. Okay, Miraj, check your WhatsApp. Okay, beta, we have sent the link to you to that class, so आप वहाँ पर join कर लीजिए. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So because of the sodium hydroxide is used as an antacids in manufacturing of soap, as an cleansing agent, or in alkaline batteries.
In manufacture of soap.
Yes, very good. It is used in manufacturing of soap. The pH of our body is between 7 to 7.8, 7.22. This one, which one will you suggest? So the pH range of our body is actually 7 from 7 to 7.8. Okay, got it? Okay. The first option is
yes, sir.
a tooth enamel is made up of
Calcium phosphate.
yes. Calcium phosphate is the correct option. Tooth enamel is the hardest substance that forms the outer covering of the tooth, and it is made up of calcium phosphate. Okay. So here we have this exemplar question. Okay, and here it has some mistake. So actually these are not the options. Okay. So here we have the apparatus shown in the given figure setups for the demonstration for the electrical conductivity. Here the battery is correct, one positive terminal, then negative terminal, then positive, then negative, then positive, then negative, then positive. So battery is checked, battery is correct. Then it is moving like this way, and here we have nails, and nails are actually dipped in the dilute NaOH solution. Okay, so since dilute NaOH when added to water means, and when NaOH added to water, it gives ions, Na positive ion and OH minus ions, and these Na positive ion is actually, and OH minus ion are actually the positive and negative ions, and that help in the conductions of electricity. So here the bulb will glow actually, and the switch is also on. Okay, so bulb will glow. So here the bulb will not glow, bulb will not glow, bulb will not glow. The bulb will actually glow. So B option will be same, but here we have the in the option, sorry, bulb will glow. Second only is the correct option is C. And this one is written here that the bulb glow because HCl is a strong acid and furnishes ions in the conductions. Yes, HCl is a strong acid, but here actually we have taken the NaOH, not the HCl. HCl is not present here in this solution, but they are talking about the HCl that as और इस तरह से HCl को use किया गया है यहाँ पे option में, जैसे यहाँ पर इसको we have added the HCl in the solution, but there is no HCl in the solution. So actually this is a mistake in the question. I want to ये मैंने question इसलिए लिया है कि so that you must know that the electric that in case if it is being written that instead of dilute HCl it is NaOH, that is dilute NaCl, still the bulb will glow. और अगर NaOH हुआ तभी भी bulb glow करेगा. The bulb will going to glow in both the cases. Okay, if either HCl taken, dilute HCl or dilute NaOH taken, whichever you are going to take, the conduction of electricity will take place. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
What happens when zinc react with sodium hydroxide? Question number 7. Zinc react with sodium hydroxide.
Sir, option B.
Option B, yes. Sodium zincate and hydrogen gas will be formed. Yes. So when NaOH actually react with zinc, it form and it should be little bit warm NaOH. Okay, when react with zinc, it will gives you sodium zincate, Na2ZnO2. Sodium zincate plus hydrogen gas will be formed. So B is the correct option. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Let's move further. Question number 8. The image found by a concave lens can be A, virtual and magnified, virtual and diminished, virtual in same size, virtual image is not found. Which one is the correct option? Convex lens.
Sir, it will have virtual image and
And virtual and
magnified. Okay.
yes, it will be virtual and magnified, because convex lens actually always form virtual. If it is forming all virtual image, then it will be magnified. Let me discuss this one on the slide so that I can explain you this one more betterly. Okay, so wait a minute, let me. Okay, so let's move and let's understand this one. Okay, so if we have actually let me explain you that whenever we have a convex lens, okay, lens, first of all, if I'm saying that this is a line segment, okay, and it is the optical center here, optical center, and if I'm assuming this one as focus, this one has radius of curvature, and if the object is placed between F and O, then it will pass through this ray will pass through this one like this way. I will draw the lens later, okay, and then it will be, if a parallel ray is passing through it, then it will be diverted towards the focus. Okay, then it will be diverted towards the focus. So let's assume this one is focus here, focus 2, okay, F2, this is F1, this is actually R1, and this one is R2. And if another ray is passing through it, it is passing through the radius of curvature. Okay, and when we increase this one, let me draw the lens here right now. Okay, so if we draw this line segment in the back, okay, like this way, so the virtual image will be formed and it will be magnified image. It will be a magnified image. So whenever an object is placed between focus and optical center in a convex lens, so then it will be going to form the virtual image and it will be magnified. So आपको हमेशा ध्यान रखना है कि convex lens virtual image is formed by all the lenses and all the mirrors. So if I'm talking about the convex lens or concave mirror, and if I'm talking about the convex mirror, concave lens, this one is concave lens. Okay, this one is concave lens, and this one is convex lens. This one is concave mirror or convex mirror. This one is actually convex mirror. Okay, or convex lens or concave lens, this one. Okay, or Okay, and we have another one is plane mirror. Plane mirror. Okay, it this one and this one always form virtual image. Always form. Always form virtual image. Always form virtual image. ये both of them. ये दोनों हमेशा virtual image बनाते हैं. They always form virtual image बेटा. They always form virtual image and diminish. This form they form the diminish. ये दोनों मिलके diminish बनाते हैं. They form diminished, and this plane mirror forms same size image. Okay, same size image, not diminish, not enlarge. But this, if it is forming, it forms the real as well as virtual. It forms the real as well as virtual. So if it is forming virtual image, then it will be enlarged. It will be enlarged. So it is clear, simple that if we have enlarged virtual image, then it will be convex lens or concave mirror. If we have diminish virtual image, it will be concave mirror or convex mirror or concave lens. Or if we have the same size image, then it will be virtual image of same size. Then it can be only formed by the plane mirror. Got it, beta? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Asila, are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो कहने का मतलब ये है कि अभी हम लोग पढ़ेंगे इसको और समझने की कोशिश भी करेंगे. ठीक है, सो वी हैव डन दिस वन. सो अभी मैं आपसे चलो पहले वही क्वेश्चन पेपर को डिस्कस करते हैं, फिर आगे उसी को. Okay, so this if I am talking about the image formed by convex lens can be, so in convex lens or concave mirror, they form convex lens and concave mirror always form virtual and मतलब virtual image भी बनाते हैं, real image भी बनाते हैं. But if I were talking about the virtual image, then it will be magnified. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number 9. An object is placed at a distance of 0.25 meter in front of a plane mirror. The distance between image and the object will be It's a very simple question. Tell me, beta.
So 0.5 meter.
Yes, it will be 0.5 meter. So if I'm saying that an object is placed at a distance of 0.25, this one is 0.25 meter. So it will be placed here. This will be 0.25 and we have to make it here. So this will gives you 1 and 2. Okay. So here we have, simply we can say that कि दोनों का distance बराबर होगा mirror से. But if it is being asked in the question that the distance between the object and the image, so object is 0.25 and the image is also 0.25, so we will add these two. This will gives you 0.5 meter. Got it? Moving further, tell me the question number 10. Question number 10, beta.
Sir, it will be 75 centimeter.
Yes, it would be 75 centimeter. Very good. Very good. So how, Asila, do you know how to solve this question? Question number 10. Tell me honestly, beta.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, beta. So we need to understand this one very thoroughly. Okay. We have some formulas. Okay. That the magnification is actually equals to V by U. For the mirror, it is minus V by U. For mirror, it is minus V by U, the formula. And we have the concave mirror. Okay. We have the concave mirror. So, so concave mirror, when it is being used by the dentist or for shaving purpose, then we assume that the object is placed, because हम लोग को अपनी शक्ल देखनी होती है उसके अंदर, या डेंटिस्ट को टूथ को देखना होता है, तो वो ऑब्जेक्ट को यानी कि इतने पास लेके आता है कि ऑब्जेक्ट आ जाता है फोकस और पोल के बीच में, मींस इट जस्ट कम बिटवीन पोल एंड फोकस, सो दैट द एनलार्ज इमेज बिहाइंड द मिरर इज फॉर्म्ड. तो हम लोग अपनी एनलार्ज इमेज देख पाते हैं बिहाइंड द मिरर. ओके. सो इफ अ मैन के पास जो है 25 सेंटीमीटर इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ कॉन्केव मिरर, so if a person is having his face that is 25 centimeter from a concave mirror and find that his image is formed, face की image जो है वो magnified बन रही है, वो भी 1.5 times. So magnification here, since the virtual image is going to form, virtual image की formation हो रही है बेटा. So if the virtual image formation is taking place, so we can write it, what we can write it here that since the virtual image is forming here beta, okay, so we can write it m is equals to 1.5 plus 1.5. Again, instead of magnified image, instead of virtual image, agar real image की formation हो रही होती, then we will write m is equals to minus 1.5 for real, and for this one is for virtual. And since in case when we are watching our face, then it will only वर्चुअल इमेज विल बी फॉर्म, क्योंकि हम लोग अपने फेस के पास लेके आ जाते हैं इतना कि हम लोग को मिरर के पीछे ही अपनी इमेज दिखाई देती है. इट जस्ट बिहेव लाइक अ प्लेन मिरर, लेकिन थोड़ा सा मैग्नीफाइड होता है. ओके. सो इफ आई एम सेइंग हियर दैट m is equals to v minus u, okay, m is equals to v minus u, this is the formula. So we can write here that you can write that we have simple formula for the focal length. If we know the in terms of u, so that is mu upon m minus 1. This is for the mirror, and if it instead of mirror it is actually lens अगर होता तो हम लोग के पास फॉर्मूला था mu upon 1 minus m. This is for the lens, ये लेंस के लिए फॉर्मूला है. And f is equals to v upon 1 minus m. अगर आपको v गिवन है और मैग्निफिकेशन गिवन है, यानी इमेज डिस्टेंस गिवन होता आपको और आपसे पूछा जाता, ओके, सो यू कैन इजीली कैलकुलेट. तो आप ये दोनों के लिए वैलिड होगा. दिस इज वैलिड फॉर लेंस एंड मिरर, ये दोनों के लिए सेम है. दिस इज लेंस एंड मिरर, बोथ सेम, दोनों के लिए सेम है. So lens, it is for both lens and mirror, but in case of mirror we have, in terms of u we have mu upon m minus 1, and in terms of lens it is mu upon 1 minus m. यहाँ पर m minus 1 होता है मिरर में, m for mirror पहले आता है, देखो m for mirror m minus 1, और l for lens, अगर lens होता तो lens के लिए हम लोग l, ये 1 जो है l assume कर लीजिए जैसे ये l होता है. Okay, तो you can write it 1 minus m. Okay, got it beta? Got it?
Yes, sir.
So these are the two formulas. If we have magnification and u, या तो हमसे मैग्निफिकेशन गिवन होगी, u गिवन होगा तो फोकल लेंथ पूछी जाएगी, जैसे अभी पूछा गया क्वेश्चन में. या हम लोग को फोकल लेंथ पता गिवन होगी, मैग्निफिकेशन गिवन होगी, हम लोग से u पूछा जाएगा. सो कोई भी एक चीज अननोन पूछे, 3 थिंग्स वी हैव, मैग्निफिकेशन, u एंड f, उसमें से 2 आपको कोई भी दे देगा और आपसे थर्ड वन पूछा जाएगा. सो दैट्स वेरी इजी एंड सिंपल. यू कैन राइट हियर f is equals to mu upon m minus 1. Now you know that f is equals to m. The value of m is actually 1.5. So you can write here 1.5. Okay, 1.5. And u is always taken as negative. हम लोग u को negative लेते हैं. क्यों लेते हैं? क्योंकि अगर हम लोग इस तरह से लेंस को मिरर को रखते हैं, so we always choose this side negative x-axis, this one has positive x-axis, this one above one is positive y-axis, and this one negative one is negative y-axis. So when we put this plus value here, okay, जैसे हम लोग यहाँ पर रखते हैं, so got it बेटा, when we put the plus value, क्योंकि इस तरफ का जो डिस्टेंस मेजर होता है, that is always taken as negative, -1, -2, you आपने देखा भी होगा ग्राफ के अंदर, we have done this one, तो this one is negative x-axis, so ये u हम लोग always negative लेते हैं, because arbitrary हमने choose किया है कि we have to put the object on the left hand side. So left hand side means this distance from the lens will be measured in negative. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we have to write it m as positive. The value of m is positive. Okay, because this is virtual image is being formed behind the mirror. So now we are calculating f is equals to 1.5 into -25. Why I'm writing -25? Because u is always taken in negative. Then m yani 1.5 minus 1. Okay, now f is equals to, you will get here 1.5 into -25 upon 0.5. You will get here 1.5 minus 1, you will get 0.5. Now this will cancel out and you will get here 3, and when 3 when multiplied by 25, you will get here what? You will get here 75. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
The focal length of concave mirror is always negative, so it will be 75. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Let's move to the question number 9. Sorry, question number 11.
Sir, it's A15.
A15. Okay. So what do you mean by the statement focal length? Actually, if we have a circle, let's suppose we have a circle. Okay, let's suppose we have a circle here. Okay, beta. This is a circle. और इस सर्कल में यहाँ से लेकर के यहाँ तक का जो डिस्टेंस होता है, okay, if we have some portion, this portion and this portion is mirror. Let's suppose this portion is actually the mirror. Okay, हम लोगों ने इसको mirror मान लिया. So ये that would be considered its as radius, and this will be considered as focus. Okay, focus, half of this will be considered as focus. Okay, now instead of taking this circle, if I take the bigger circle, let's suppose if I took the bigger circle, then for the center of curvature will be from here. Oh. So it will be from here, and this is the radius of curvature, and this is the focal length. So you know that this distance is actually greater than this distance. Okay, this distance means this one is greater, this one is greater. Okay, this focal length is greater. And if you assume that this is a mirror, this one is the mirror. So assume this is a mirror. So when you put it in the water, does it becomes like this? अगर आप इतने बड़े स्फेयर को या इस पोर्शन को आप इस पानी के अंदर रखते हैं, तो क्या ये इसके बराबर हो सकता है? ये छोटा हो सकता है क्या साइज में? रेडियस इसका छोटा हो सकता है? If you put a circle or a bowl, or we can say that a piece of a sphere, okay, and if you put it into the water, does it become smaller in size? No, it will not become smaller in size, beta. And the focal length depend on the size of the circle of which the part of a concave mirror is a part, or the spherical mirror is a part. ये जो है डिपेंड करता है, फोकल लेंथ किस पे डिपेंड करती है? फोकल लेंथ डिपेंड करती है कि आपने जो आपका मिरर है, आपने उसका जो ये पार्ट है वो किस रेडियस के सर्किल का पार्ट है या स्फेयर का पार्ट है। जिस स्फेयर के रेडियस का ये पार्ट होगा, मोर द स्फेयर का रेडियस उतना ही ज्यादा फोकल लेंथ होगी। हियर आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर ये छोटा है, सो वी कैन क्रिएट इट लाइक दिस वे। ओके, तो हम लोग इसको यहाँ से ऐसे छोड़ देते हैं उसको। ओके, तो हम बोलेंगे कि जितना छोटा सर्कल होगा उतना ही उसका फोकल लेंथ कम होगी, जितना बड़ा सर्कल होगा उतनी उसकी फोकल लेंथ ज्यादा होगी। अब पानी में डालने के बाद इनकी फोकल लेंथ चेंज नहीं होती। फोकल लेंथ डिपेंड ऑन द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल और रेडियस ऑफ द स्फीयर ऑफ व्हिच द पार्ट द स्फेरिकल मिरर इज पार्ट। ये रेडियस पर डिपेंड करता है कि जो आपका सरफेस है, जो आपका स्फेयर है या आपका जो मिरर है वो कितने बड़े स्फेयर का पार्ट है। अगर छोटे स्फेयर का पार्ट है तो छोटा रेडियस होगा, छोटा फोकल लेंथ होगी। बड़े स्फेयर का पार्ट है तो then it will be of bigger focal length. When you dip it into the water, its size does not increase or decrease. So there will be so if I am talking about the its focal length will be differ by, so its focal length will be differ by 0. Got it? Its focal length will be differ by 0 only. Got it? There will be no change in the focal length. Got it, or still having some doubt?
Sure, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move further. Do question number 12.
Sir, option B.
Option B, yes. If a ray is passing through the focus, then it will be reflected parallel to the principal axis. So let's do some diagrams regarding to this one. Okay, let's move. जल्दी से हम लोग कर लेते हैं ताकि आपको जल्दी से समझ में आ जाए. Okay. So let's try this one. Okay. So I'm having here a circle. That I'm drawing here a circle. Okay. That this is a circle. Okay. And here we have its radius of curvature. Okay, this is the radius of this is the radius r. Okay, और अभी अगर हम लोग इसको ऐसे डिलीट कर दें, मतलब एज्यूम करें कि this is the only part of the circle, this is the only part of the sphere, ये सिर्फ यही पार्ट है मिरर का, और जिसको मैंने अंडरलाइन मतलब ये निशान नहीं बनाए वहां पर कुछ भी नहीं है, there is nothing. ये सिर्फ मैंने इसलिए बनाया ताकि आपको समझ में आ जाए, चीजों को अच्छे से समझ में आ जाए कि ये एक्चुअली दिस स्फेरिकल मिरर इज अ पार्ट ऑफ अ स्फेयर. It is a part of a sphere. So if suppose this is the radius, this one is r, this one is actually r, and actually this one is the focus. So if you pass a parallel ray, okay, if you pass a parallel ray, this one is focus. If you pass a parallel ray okay, on this one, so beta it will be reflected. It will be reflected, okay, from the focus. If it is a parallel ray, then it will be reflected through the focus, like this way. Got it? Got it, beta? Got it?
Yes, sir.
And if suppose if there is another ray that is passing through the focus, if a ray is passing through the focus, then it's vice versa. If it is passing through the focus, okay, then it will be reflected back to the parallel to the principal axis. It will be reflected back and it will be parallel to the principal axis. Now this one is actually principal axis. This line is principal axis. Okay, so Let's move further. So actually this is the radius, this is the focus. And if third one is, and last one, if a ray is passing, actually, okay. So if I'm saying that a ray is passing through the R, radius of curvature, then it will be returned back to its original path. Then it will be returning back to its original path. जैसे जाएगी उसी पर आ जाएगी. ऐसा क्यों होता है? ऐसा इसलिए होता है because actually the radius is always formed perpendicular with the surface. Means radius is if I draw a tangent to this one. Let's suppose if I'm drawing a tangent to this one. Okay, let's suppose I'm drawing the tangent. To this one. This is the tangent. So it always form 90 degree with the, with the surface. So if a ray of light is passing normally or striking the normally to the surface, then it will be rebounded back to its original path. It will be reflected back to its original path. Got it? The first ray is white, is represented by white color. If a ray is passing parallel to principal axis, then it will pass through focus. If a ray is passing through focus, then it will be parallel to the principal axis. And if a ray is passing through R, then it will come back to its original path. Okay. Got it, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's move further. So if I'm talking about this one, this one is done. Now let's move further. Okay. If instead of let me take this screenshot of this one so that, wait a minute. Okay. So, okay. Moreover, you need to understood here that if we have this sign convention, okay, if we have this sign conventions, so according to the sign convention, okay, so if I have, beta dhyan se samajhna, if I'm making here, okay, if I'm making it with the violet color or red color, okay, make it with the green color, okay, green color we have not chosen. So if I'm drawing their x-axis, okay, this one is the axis, this one is the y-axis, okay. So this one is actually y-axis and this one is actually the x-axis, and here we have, this one is positive negative x-axis, and this one is as negative y-axis. So if you take this distance, ध्यान समझिएगा असीला, ध्यान समझना बेटा. If I am saying that if I complete this one, since this in this mirror the radius is coming on the negative x-axis, this distance is coming on the negative x-axis, so actually we can consider this one. So and focal length is also coming in the negative side. So we will say that the convex mirror, in convex mirror the focal length is negative. Okay, in convex mirror, in concave mirror, the focal length will be negative. Got it beta? The focal length will be negative. Okay, object distance is always negative because we keep the object on the left hand side. Okay, So let's move further and let's do these questions so that we can understand this one more clearly. Okay, so let's try with this one. Let's say I'm drawing deleting these images. Okay, so I will ask you, Asila, and you need to answer me. If I place an object here, let's suppose if I'm making an object here, okay. If I'm this is an object and it is placed beyond R, okay. It is placed beyond R. So if I pass a parallel ray to it, from its top, okay, then it will be passing through the focus. According to this, if a ray is passing parallel to the principal axis, then it will be passing through the focus. And if I pass the another ray, from the from its top to focus, okay, sorry, if I pass the another ray to the from the radius of curvature, but it's your choice. If you want to make it from the focus, you can make it from the focus. It's your choice. So if I'm making it from the focus, then it will be reflected back to parallel to the principal axis. So it will be reflected back parallel to the principal axis. And here you will find that inverted image will be formed. Here you will find that an inverted image is going to be formed. Okay, inverted image will be formed here. Okay, so this will be diminished image, and moreover it will be. So आप मुझे मैं जो पूछ रहा हूँ उसका जवाब दीजिएगा. For this case, आप इस केस के लिए मुझे बताइए the positive and negative values, मतलब साइन के साथ मुझे बताइएगा. Okay. If I'm asking you that here we have u, so u का साइन आपको मुझे बताना है कि पॉजिटिव होगा कि नेगेटिव. v इमेज डिस्टेंस का साइन बताना है. v इमेज डिस्टेंस is from here, distance from here to here is v, and object distance from here to here is u. okay, मैग्निफिकेशन का साइन बताना है. मैग्निफिकेशन ग्रेटर देन 1 है और कि लेस देन 1 और इक्वल टू 1, वो बताना है आपको. ओके, चलिए बताइए मुझे. और फोकल लेंथ का साइन बताइए. चलिए, मैं टेल मी बेटा, द वैल्यू ऑफ u विल बी पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. असीला, टेल मी. Sila, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The value of u will be positive or negative? Object distance, will it be positive or negative?
Negative, sir.
Yes, it will be negative, because u will be always taken as negative, because this distance is actually from mirror to here. It is a negative distance, so it will be always considered as negative. So this will be negative. Okay, here we have v. The value of v will be negative or positive? v, image distance. Tanishka, tell me.
So negative.
Yes, it will be negative, because we are measuring the distance from on the right hand side, left hand side of the axis, or we can say negative axis में हमको measure करना होगा यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक का distance. So that would be considered as negative. So that will be negative. This will be also negative. The value of m, will it be positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. Tanishka, you?
Positive.
Positive. Why positive? For mirror, we have a formula for magnification. M is equals to v
So
minus
because it's going on the positive y-axis.
v minus u. So you have v, this minus sign is from the negative, from the formula, and you have v as negative, and you have also u as negative. So when it will be negative, it will cancel out, and you will be going to have overall sign as negative. And moreover, if real inverted image is formed, if real and inverted image is formed, it will have a negative magnification. Got it, beta? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Tell me, will the value of m will be negative? Sorry, will it be positive, means greater than 1 or less than 1?
Sir,
The value of m will be greater than 1 or smaller than 1? Tell me, beta. अच्छा आप बताइए, you have to write m for magnification, you have to calculate m minus v by u. Here the image distance is this one from here to here, and here the object distance is from here to here. Will it be greater than 1 or smaller than 1? You have the value of v is smaller or greater than v u. The value of v छोटी है कि बड़ी है u से?
छोटी है.
Yes, it is smaller in size, na? So when you have the numerator, smaller numerator, and denominator is greater than this one, so it will be going to have value less than 1. For example, 5 divided by 7, it will be having a value less than 1. 3 divided by 5, it will be going to have the value less than 1. So when we have numerator smaller than the denominator, v is a smaller distance than the u, so we will consider it as the value for m will be greater than 1, sorry, smaller than 1. So हम बोलेंगे m is smaller than 1. Got it? And it will be negative. अच्छा, एक बात आपको समझना है यहाँ पे कि अगर, चलो अभी वो समझेंगे बाद में. बोलिए, फोकल लेंथ यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव होगी कि नेगेटिव? Will we take the focal length as positive or negative?
Negative.
Yes, because इसकी focal length नेगेटिव साइड में आ रही है, इस तरफ आ रही है, then it will be, sorry, यहाँ पर आ रही है focal length, and this distance will be measured as negative because it is in negative x-axis, so it will be also negative. Got it? Got it, beta?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let's move further. Moving further. Okay, let's move further. So if you have a circle again, okay, if you have a circle means a mirror again, you have a convex mirror, okay, and if you have this as a, okay, so tell me, बेटा मेरे को अभी इसमें कुछ केसेस और समझाने हैं अभी, सो पहले इसी को करते हैं, बाद में हम लोग दूसरे को करते हैं. ओके, तो इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट हियर, वापस आते हैं. So if I'm saying to you कि instead of, अभी मैंने ऑब्जेक्ट को कहाँ पे रखा है, I am putting the object on the R, exactly at R, then the image formed will be at R. Got it? The image will be formed at R. So here अभी हम लोगों ने पीछे जो किया था उसके अंदर हमारे पास जो ऑब्जेक्ट था that was placed actually at R, बियॉन्ड आर था तो उसकी इमेज बिटवीन आर एंड एफ की फॉर्मेशन में हो रही थी, मींस द इमेज विल बी फॉर्मिंग बिटवीन आर एंड एफ, between R and F. Okay. So if the object is placed exactly at R, then its image will be formed exactly at R, and it will be inverted image, real inverted image. Okay. So here we have like this. You can assume this one as this. If a ray is passing parallel to principal axis, then it will be coming focus. And if a ray is passing through the focus, then it will be passing parallel to principal axis. So if it is coming parallel, then it will be, sorry, it will passing focus, then it will be coming parallel. So here we have the same size image will be formed. Same size image will be formed. Okay, same size image. So tell me the value of आपको बताना है मेरे को कि इसमें हम लोग को क्या क्या वैल्यूज मिलेंगी. Value of m positive or negative, then m.
Excuse me, sir.
I don't know, beta, how that what is connected. Is I'm audible to you now? So,
Yes.
okay. So beta, if I'm taking this another one, okay, and here we have, and here actually we have a radius like this. This is the radius of curvature, and this is the focus. This one is the focus. So if you are having the image, if you are forming the image exactly at R, an object is placed exactly at R, okay, then its image will be formed of same size as this one. Okay. So now you know that if I pass one ray from here, then it will pass through the focus, and if I pass another ray from focus, then it will be passing through this one. Okay. So this one is passing through it. This one is passing through
Excuse me,
it.
sir.
This one is passing. Yes, beta.
Sir, I'm unable to see the screen. Are you sharing the screen?
I don't know. 2 times my meetings were disconnected. I don't know why it is disconnected. And 2 times I have to make it again. Is the screen visible to you, both of you now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Is it not visible to you? Wait a minute.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Is it visible to you now?
No,
Is it?
sir.
No, sir.
No. ये कैसे हो गया भाई? मैं तो शेयर कर दी स्क्रीन. एक मिनट. Let me stop the share this one. Okay, then let me share it again. Is it visible to you
Sir,
now?
your
beta?
voice is also clear.
Is it visible to you? The screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it is visible to you? Okay, wait a minute. Let me check the internet speed. So without wasting the time, let's move further, क्योंकि फिर से हमें वेस्ट हो जाएगा टाइम सारा. Okay.